What is up, guys? So we got a new balance here in a chain group, and we're going to be putting that back into Dragon Foundation. So as you can see, we've occurred in our interest payments, total of $1,079.56, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over to trade groups, Dragon Foundation. They had a nice payout today at 2.33%. Invest in Dragon Foundation, and we're going to enter $1,000, and that's to mirror what we've done on BitStrong and invest in Dragon Foundation. Boom, it's in there. It's good. We should start seeing that occur tomorrow. But everything is looking pretty damn good here with Chain Group. We now have basically a mirrored dollar amount minus the pennies. But all in all, it's pretty good. I mean, let's see what we earned on our $200 investment. $4.48. And let's see what BitStrong, or let's go to our 1290. $28.90. Yesterday was a pretty big payout for both companies. So we had a payout yesterday of $48.64. Pretty good. Let's go back on our $1,000 one for BitStrong, and it was paid out at $22.40, and yesterday $37.70. So pretty good earnings. This is how I'm planning to just destroy the compounding with different loans with Chain Group till we get to a high enough point where we're earning pretty damn good daily. And mind you, this is only, we have the same amount now in both in both companies. So that interest is going to be really, really good. Eventually, like I said, some of this will be funneled into BitPay, tell me pay for our daily expenses and whatnot, and the most part of it, the rest of it will probably be go back into reinvesting and sending into BitConnect to grow our loans. When BitConnect is looking really good, it's steady, it's strong, but like I said, with my low numbers in subscriber base or in referral bases, what I want to do is try to kick it up a notch to make up for that. So that's why we're going to be putting in other funds from other programs and investing back into BitConnect to keep growing that residual income, that passive income that's good, and that's going to keep on coming. So thank everybody for jumping in to Chain Group. You're seeing that it's working. You're going to get what you put in. So you put in a small amount, as you saw. My first amounts for Dragon and BitStrong were about $200, and you're earning about $4 to $5 a day on the normal trend. If it goes up higher, as you can see, sometimes you get paid a little bit more. $7.53. There are a couple of times where it paid a little bit higher and a little bit lower, but for the most part, it's been around the $5 to $7 range. So looking really good. I'm pretty happy with Chain Group, and it's gonna go sky's the limit on this, man. I mean, with any lending, you just have to figure out how you're going to set up your lending, and that's how you're going to be paid. So again, we're trying to grow our money and not just spend it. Spending it is easy, but when you spend it and you have nothing left to invest, that money's gone. So we don't want to do that. When we get to the point where we're generating enough interest from all these groups that we're investing in Chain Group and other platforms, to where we're generating enough interest that we can live on, that you can pay your bills on, that you can enjoy yourself on, and still have your investment money back in your pocket at the end of the day. So that's what we're trying to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.